remember, I'm buying this car.
This is a beautiful path.
Hopefully we're gonna have a chance to fix that little spot and one at the back of the door. But that looks like a car.
A little rust spot up here with the mirror mounts. This is the inner that I did, but I haven't finished the outer yet, so that outer piece, it's a dent. I should probably hammer that out. And then there's just a little patch to be done here. And then this inside section, which isn't too bad. So there's quite a few patches there. And then Blair also pointed out this. So, a couple patches that have to be done today. We're just gonna get on it.
A few moments later.
Alright, I'm gonna start with this top one. I thought I turned you guys off, but I guess I didn't. Perfect. So you guys would have just saw me use a hammer to get these things out. Sometimes if a bolt is rusted and you can't get them out, you smack the back of the screwdriver with a hammer and it kind of loosens up the rest, and if that doesn't work, we have to apply heat. I'm gonna start with this one first. This is just like super simple. Just got a little round in it. Alright, just straighten out a piece of scrap metal. Now I'm just going to take this to my anvil and straighten it out because the metal shears kind of put a bend in it. Alright, that looks pretty good. I'm just going to take my zip cut to it and cut out the rest. There. Before you use one of these, always inspect your disc, make sure that there's no cracks. Because if this thing blows up while it's spinning at high RPM, it sucks. There's actually still a zip cut stuck in the ceiling up there from me trying to cut off the frame arm. It's stuck right up above where the coffee is. Cool. Perfect fit.
I don't know if they go that
It's
new.
a little long at the top, but I'm going to tack it in and then I'll slit the top again and weld it on there. And I just got to pull the welder over. Just like 80,000 layers going on there, but
Well, I just built and installed this,
yeah,
and this is heavier steel, 16 gauge.
yeah.
And so I welded it, and it's really tough to get off. It is brand new. And a whole bunch of spot welds across the back, and I can't even see them on it. So, yeah, I'm whining and sniveling, I'll get it.
You mean your welded and patch was too good to remove?
It's very tough to remove, yes.
Well,
Because I wanted it to last forever.
I guess that's almost a victory, but not quite.
Yeah, exactly, right? Exactly. And remember, I'm buying this car.
This is a beautiful path. It's also only like this big.
I'm just saying. Wow, I hate these pins.
Are you asking me to try to buy this?
What?
Are you actually gonna try to buy this?
We'll see. I'd sure like to, but we'll see. Probably Monday.
Alright, so now we're gonna move on to this patch at the front of the door. I've already done the inner on this. There we go. There's that. This is the fit of the patch. It's a pretty simple patch, but now I just gotta cut it to size. That fits literally perfect. Okay, on to the last inner outer packaging door. You have the sander in there?
Blair, where'd you put that? There it is.
How's your door coming?
Huh?
How's your door coming?
It's done, except for that little part at the front there.
Right. Okay, so you could happily move over to here?
Yep.
Okay, that'd be great. Zip the top, you know what you're doing.
Yep. Okay. Move sides. Alright, Blair needed my size, so I'm gonna finish welding up his 1/4 pound here. Just gonna get the top in.
Oh, sorry.
Ah! Okay. I'm also cutting my line right on the body line, right on the crown there. That way you're least likely to get worse there. And you have a guideline to follow. On top of this is welded, now I just gotta and then the bottom of it and back there to spot welds.